whole thing and hope that you magically have that willpower tomorrow. Then you have to overcome the shame, the avoidance, the feeling you suck, that you're behind everyone else, and that it should be easy. Plus, the real reason why you haven't done whatever it is that you want to do. That's too much. It's never going to happen. What can you do instead? Well, you can focus on your desires. What do you actually want? What is self-perpetuating? How do you connect with the part of yourself that actually wants whatever it is at the other end? As my husband says, how can I make exercise like eating cake? So I have a longer video with a freebie with all the details you need linked in the comments below. But here's going to be the short version. And at the end, I will tell you the most important step that people forget about. First, identify a desire and name what you want more of. For example, kindness and doing more for, let's say, your grandmother. Look for openings in your day that are already there so it's easier to integrate. So with our kindness example, you might decide that whenever you go to the grocery store shopping, you're going to pick up an extra item you know that your grandmother likes. To make it sustainable, you pick a length and frequency that you can actually regularly do. So let's say once or twice a month. To make it fun, try to make it immediately rewarding. Think of your grandmother's delight or listen to music when you're delivering it. Maybe you decide to attach it to a walk and walk through this beautiful park on your way. In general, if you want to encourage a new behavior, try adding things you already know you like music or dressing up or changing location or campy movies, socializing, warm drinks, a treat, singing, dancing. You could literally play a winning sound effect and it will build what we call a dopamine reinforcing pathway. You can also ask yourself, is there a version that I'd like to do more that gets me the same result? Like, for kindness, call your grandmother on the phone instead of picking up groceries. Okay, now here is the most important step people don't do. Figure out what went wrong and what went well. After a week or two, stop and identify what actually got in your way. And if you can't tell what's stopping you from doing it, download my nuance freebie for more help. So my patients are telling me that what gets in their way is, I know it's dumb, but, and pay attention, it is not dumb. The reason you're doing it is not dumb. You will not work out without a good bra that is easy to get in and out of. If you don't have enough laundry baskets in easy locations, you will not do laundry. If you have to make tons of decisions every time you clean, you won't clean up. If you have social anxiety, any plan that involves talking to other people without a plan for your anxiety itself will not work. You can't ignore your feelings. You can't ignore your needs to be seen and understood. You can't ignore sleep. You can't ignore hunger. You can't ignore anything that you're currently addicted to. Any plan that ignores your needs will fail. So instead of thinking about your New Year's resolution, I want you to think about what you want more of in the next year, and then use this video and my free resources to figure out how you are going to go and get it. Just remember, don't plan for your best self. Plan for your average self. This is Dr. Arita, Emotional Billionaire, wishing you only the things you want in 2025.